Gonna need.
Oh no.
You look like a prisoner or something. It's kind of creepy, not gonna lie. So attractive, Megan.
Shaving mustache. Oh man. Oh.
Smooth,
No.
Megan. Smooth.
Got the funk. I'm shedding.
I'm gonna say that from now on. I got the funk.
Got the funk.
Got the funk.
Oh no, it's not coming off my forehead. I need a shower.
You need makeup remover.
I need a shower. Oh man, this eyeliner's probably not gonna come off my lips. What? Oh yeah. Got the funk. I'm shedding.
Delilah was crying
Make sure.
in the back room by herself. She wanted to see all the trick-or-treaters.
She'd eat them.